We are Benny and Gosh, Tio from Berlin. We hate this. And we would like to introduce you to the newest member of our family of sustainable tooth care products, plastic-free and vegan floss. There is no need to talk about why vegan is the way to go. But plastic-free is a big deal on a small product. We have worked our butts off to get this going. Our floss is made of 100% renewable raw materials. This means we are not only using zero plastic, but also, if you think about it, your teeth are being cleaned with carbon dioxides from our atmosphere. Oh, and it also comes with a refillable and plant-based dispenser. We assure a fair and eco-friendly production in our neighborhood. You can't do it any more sustainable than this. Plus, it looks sleek as heck. This is how we rethink, reduce, and reuse. Thanks for watching. We'd love to make this happen and hope for your support.